Hello everybody, today I want to talk with you about how to remove marketplace from Facebook on iPhone. Now I just want to say that not is possible example delete marketplace, okay? Because not is like an app, is a function, okay? Is a skill in inside from Facebook, okay? If you want disappear in Facebook marketplace, only need delete your post, okay? Example, if you make your post, can you open your profile in the corner towards here and your listings towards here. Example, I have one listing available, okay? If I want disappear here, I only need those here in my 3 points and delete listing. This is all because the people on marketplace don't look profiles, okay? The people don't come here to write in the search bars for people, okay? The people write products, posts, not profiles, okay? Your profile is hide in marketplace, okay? Only need delete your listings is all. Only need delete, okay? You need be sure about your post is delete, and this is all. Sorry for the bad info or my bad English, and have a good day and see you later.